Okay. So what we're gonna do in this video is we'll be splitting up the monolith service into a microservice. So we have post service and user service, both of them in this single application. We have to remove user service out and put it into its own separate service. So for that, what we're gonna do is first we'll create a new project, call it as a user service. Let's call this as users and create this out. Okay, and we gonna separate out some of the code from this service into this, so we don't need this. And I'll just copy the post initializer into this paste. This will be user in it, and this cancel this out. There are certain changes I need to make first, but before that I also need to copy the bomb. I need to copy the parent. We go to the parent, and we need a dependency called the posts API. Okay, so this would import all the jars which are required for the Spring Boot and Lombok. Okay, and this will be user init. Also, this is important. This needs to be user, which is similar, which is this package over here, and at least this this should start. Oh, before that, we need the application YAML file, the log4j, the names.csv. I don't think so, but let it be, and the users.sql. Copy this. Oh wait, we need application YAML, and all these files we need the application YAML, the log4j, and the names.csv. I don't think so names.csv is required, but I'll just keep it for time being. Later we can remove it. Anyways, so we need to update this. This will be user service. It'll be running on a 10,002. I want the application name to be user service, which will appear in the log. This is okay. Post application root update. This all is okay. The log4j file will remain the same. And let me start this up again. Okay, 10,002 is already used. This okay. So the application started. We see the user service name over here with the host's name along with the IP address, which is the host name and the host address. And it has connected to the database as well. We can see that here, and we need to take the user service from the monolith that we had built, monolith application that we had built. I'll just take the user repository out, create a package called repository. get all IDs. Yep. And now I'll create a package called service. And it'll be DAO. And it'll be a controller. Or there'll be post. Wait, we need to add the user DAO. Update the locations of the user repository. In here we put this. Yep. And service. Got take this out and put it in here. Update the location. Go to user service. I did. Okay. Got this. What else? Yep. And now I need the controller. I'm just taking out all the classes from the monolith and putting in into this user service. User related classes from the monolith and putting them into the user service. Okay. This will be user service. Hmm. Okay. Service. Got the user service controller. Go to import org user. Hmm. What is the issue in here? Why isn't it allowing me to org dot user dot service dot user service? Okay, weird. Anyways, and this part is done, and what we're gonna do is we just run this up. And okay, that could not be found. Okay, we go to the application configuration, copy this out and add it to the config package. Paste in here. Now this is a duplicate code in both the service. We will probably might have to take these out later and put it into a separate jar file, but that's for later when we will be cleaning up everything, the whole project. But at least we'll build it before making any cleaning up job, before taking up any cleanup job. You got the user service that is started, also connected to the Hazelcast. And let me, this is, I need user post service. This will be user service. This will be 2. API users load. Okay. So it loaded a single user, and yeah, so this is working. Next, we need to update the post service to handle things which are missing. So for example, in this case, it requested the user, right? So that needs to be updated. So for that, we will be making a network call, or should I say an HTTP REST call to the user service from the post service, and would get the data for that. So yeah, for now, that's it. Thanks.